Welcome back everyone to the Interior channel. In late 2025 or early 2026, Ford Escape is expected to be cancelled. But what if Ford decides to prolong the life of the SUV for a few years and reveals the second and final facelift for the current generation? We have illustrated how it could look like. Please let us know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.